All right, you're listening to the Super Morning Show on Joy 99.7 FM. It's 8:21 a.m. in the studios here at Kokomlemle in Accra. We have a conversation coming up right now with GCB, and we're here to talk about some very important stuff. So, and I've been joined by two lovely people. Sina Kamagate is Executive Head Retail Banking Department, and Elizabeth Ashon Staffier is Retail Sales Manager at the Braka branch. Lady and gentlemen, welcome to the show.
Thank you.
Kamagate, I love your name.
Yeah.
That's what tribe is that?
It's Wangara.
Ansuma.
Here. Elejaye. That's Wale.
That's Wale.
We have some things in common.
Yes. A lot of those northern languages do.
Yeah.
Last time somebody had the Burkina Bay military leader speaking his local language.
That's Jula Wangara.
Exactly.
Yes.
And he speaks Mampuli and he could understand what he was saying.
Yes,
He's like, oh, that is amazing.
Yeah.
As for Ashon, it's Fanti. Straight up.
Yes, sure.
All right, welcome. We're in Ghana, man, so we have to do a lot. I'm glad that you understand your language. That's actually
yes. And a couple more Ghanaian languages.
How many more?
I can do about 6 more.
6 more?
Yeah.
You're just like me.
Yeah.
You speak 7.
Okay.
That's a lot. So Wangara.
I do Hausa.
Yes,
I do Jula.
Zula.
Yes, I do a bit of Wale.
Yes,
I do Chi,
of course.
I do Fanti.
You do Fanti.
Yes.
And if you speak Wale, you must know a bit of Frafra too. Or a bit of Dagasi.
Like Batazoe.
Yeah. Elizabeth, do you speak any other local languages apart from your darling Fanti?
So I speak Fanti, Efutu, I can do Ga, a bit of Krobo.
That is a lot.
Yes,
that's
and
impressive.
then Tree. Yeah, I do very well with Tree.
That's a lot.
Yes.
That's impressive. Is it as impressive as your personal loan promotion that you launched last year, August? How's that doing?
Very, very well. Yes. We started the promo in August for it to end in February. But at the end of February, originally was to end in January, and then due to the demand, it was extended to February. But as it was ending in February, the pressure that was coming, we couldn't help than to go further. That's why we are here.
Wow.
And so we are here to bring the good news that we've still opened up our arms, and we are still welcoming both our existing and potential customers to come. Yes, to enjoy, and it's actually been extended up to June. Yes.
All right. Sina, tell me more about that personal loan, that promotion that you launched last year in August. What is so new about it or what's so good about it that you're extending it, like Elizabeth said?
So just as Elizabeth said, and let me use the opportunity to say good morning to all our customers listening through this program and those who are viewing us. If you have seen our financials, last year we returned a very impressive performance, growing our balance sheet by some 58%. And we can't help it than to thank our customers who have made this possible and to encourage them to continue doing business with us. And it's in appreciation of to our customers that we have repackaged the promo. And so typically what we are saying to our customers is that you've been good to us and we can only give you the best of our products. So now we are extending the amount. I mean, when we launched the promo, the limit was 700,000. To say thank you to our customers, we are increasing it to 1 million.
Wow.
The tenor, that is how long you could take the loan, was 5 years. Again, to give something back to the customers, we are extending it to 6 years. The interest rate, we are staying it at the fixed 22%. And the emphasis is on fixed. At GCB, when you pick up a loan, from day one, you know with precision how much you are going to pay till you finish servicing the loan. And to put the icing on the cake, what we have done to our customers who want to buy cars is to sign an agreement with VW, and so you get the loan at a reduced interest rate. I mean, huge money. You go to VW and they also give you a discount just because you are a GCB customer.
Amazing.
So that's what we are offering to our customers.
Amazing. Let's talk about the details that customers or potential customers need in order to take advantage of this. Let's say don't bank with GCB. How do I benefit? Or if I bank with GCB, how do I benefit from this?
Okay. So on that one, we're saying that if you are a GCB customer, all you need to do is to have your salary coming to us. Yes. Previously, per policy, your salary would have to come for 3 months for you to qualify. But now we're saying that let your salary come through for 1 month.
Just 1 month.
Just 1 month, and you are good to go. Yes. And for somebody listening to us who says, "Oh, I'm not with GCB, but I wish," we say, "Come, just come and open an account with us. Let your salary come through for 1 month, and you can also benefit." Some people are saying, "Oh, I have some commitments with my bank and I will still want to." We have a package for institutions that we have an agreement with institutions that they can do source deductions for us, and also we draw that agreement and then we are able to rope them in. So there is something for everybody, from pensioners to normal salaried workers, even for that's not the part of the promo, but for businesses also. There is something tailored for, GCB is the bank for the indigents.
For everybody.
So there is something good in there for everybody. Yes.
And I'm very interested in this. There are different kinds of personal loans, but why must someone take advantage of this particular GCB bank promo? What are the benefits of this particular one?
So, just as Lizzie has mentioned, at GCB, when you take a loan, we give you the loan at a rate that is amortized. And what I mean by that is that your interest payment is actually on your outstanding balance. So what that means is that, let's say Fentio takes 10,000 from GCB. First month you are supposed to pay 300. That 300 is broken into 200 to reduce the principal, 100 to reduce the interest.
Yes.
It means in your month 2, when we are calculating interest, we calculate the interest on 10,000 minus the 200 you have reduced. And so you see that effectively, by the time you finish servicing your loan, you have actually paid less interest in effective terms than the 22%. This is the transparency we give to our customers. On top of that, from day one, we give you your repayment schedule. So at your own comfort, you can actually call over and know when you are going to finish servicing this loan. Now, what we do also for our customers is that circumstances do change.
Of course.
And so if you took the loan this month, March, and then June, you hit a pay upgrade, you get promoted. Immediately you get promoted, you can run back to GCB, who do a top up for you.
Wow.
And so we give our customers the convenience. And typically when you take a loan, what do? You actually bring your future to the now.
Right.
You could have saved money to buy car in 5 years time, but GCB is saying, come to GCB, let's give you the money to drive your car now, and then you pay later. And so it's a host of benefits that you get from picking the loan from us.
That's amazing, and I like the amortized interest payment because that is a brilliant idea. It's a brilliant concept. It really does mean that in the end you don't pay as much as you are originally scheduled to pay. But what about this? How long is the offer available for customers and potential customers? You mentioned that you had extended it, but emphasize that for me.
Okay, so it's been extended effective this March, and we ending it in June.
Okay.
Yeah. So what it means is that by end of June, it doesn't mean we've stopped offering loans, but the price may be adjusted a bit. Yes.
The more reason they have to take advantage of this one
exactly. Now, yes.
Okay.
Yes.
What about people that are listening to us and they want to take full advantage? How do they start? Where do they start? Where do they go to? How do they get in touch?
We are saying that they should visit any GCB branch
Okay.
across the country. 183 branches across Ghana. They should visit any of our branches, and well-trained staff are there willing to serve and explain to them and grant them any assistance they may require.
What if I don't want to walk to a bank?
Yes, it's good you've asked that question.
Yes.
You see my title.
Yes.
My title is Retail Sales Manager. So we have at Abraka branch, we
Yes.
have dedicated sales staff
Okay.
readily available that we move around.
Okay.
So now you don't even need to visit a branch, but you give a call and we are at your service. I can come and sit here, Joy FM, all your staff who are interested. We have our forms, everything that we need to serve you at the comfort of your office, at the comfort of your destination. Yes.
And
to our digital savvy folks,
Okay.
you can join GCB in any of our social media handles, and you just need to chat with the administrators. The next moment, somebody will place a call to you. Those who want to call us, you can call us on our toll-free numbers 0800 422 422. And to those who like to WhatsApp, you can do 0202 422 422. So at GCB 422 422, and within the next 20 minutes after your call, a salesperson would be with you.
Service, yes.
You have no idea. You mentioned the number of your branches. You said 184
branches.
84
yes.
branches across
16
the country.
agencies.
You have no idea how much a GCV branch in my hometown Tumu saved my university education in at Lagos, because Tumu and Lagos is far. So you have to put the money there. I'll go and take it.
That's GCB.
Yeah.
That's
It
GCB.
was at the time was probably like the only
And
bank
that's also
there.
the more reason why we should choose GCB, because of the service we're doing to Mother Ghana.
Yeah.
Every remote area, every corner of the country, we are there to serve.
That
so
much
GCB is for us. GCB is our own. Let's patronize GCB.
Okay. Before I let you guys go, any special message or information that you want to give out to the general public?
Yeah, I mean, just to thank our customers and to also tell them that in these times the fraudsters are at their best.
Yes.
GCB, once we have a relationship with you, we have every information of you in our database. We have protocols that would pass through if we need you to update your records. And so if you receive any call, any text message asking you to connect your Ghana card, know that that can definitely not come from GCB. And so if you receive any of such calls, we would ask you to call our toll-free line, and I'll repeat it again, 0800 422 422, or you can drop us a WhatsApp on 0202 422 422, and we'll jump to help you.
Elizabeth?
And also to add that as we've come out giving out the loans, we are also pleading with our customers. When you take, please pay.
Of course.
We are taking from somebody and we are giving it to you. If you don't pay, the other person wouldn't also get the opportunity to take. So when you take, please do pay for us.
So personal loan, personal responsibility.
Exactly.
We have to show you.
Definitely.
Exactly.
Thank you very much. This has been
too.
lovely. Elizabeth Sean Staff here is Retail Sales Manager at the Braka branch of GCB Bank. And Sina Kamagate, I love your last name, Executive Head Retail Banking Department of GCB Bank as well. Samir Adami, what's your problem? It's gone.
Their last words in their local.
Their last words in their I'm sure there are people there in the Wangara community who are listening to you on this one. Say something to them about what you just spoke about as well.
Yeah, so to my Wangara community, you will find them mainly in the Bono area, Kintampo, Wenchi, Nanyoro, Mbaba Nyoro, GCB more lebe kumana sisata. Ambia forare anka warisi amabla mo ya nyini ka wari do achira ka do GCB branch biera ka do wari dota ni aka wari ta ambia darra ai wari saranye parce que mo wari le ambena diarma mbe RBF fora IBF onye. Bye bye.
Kai Kokari. That was a lot. I picked up a few words here.
Yes.
I'm glad you chose Wangara. Elizabeth, you speak like 5. Which one are you going with? Fanti or a Futu? Or
okay, let me do a Futu. Mini me anese anabo senya winiba alawo fon omo anefa ne bank GCB na anapam ana anijina na anigwa no ye loan se anemban ebo asoto ana no sukwafa enti osukwafa obadan wo GCB bank embesa aben wo kwafa otra ne wa ababa na bayo GCB anefa ne bank enti ana ani digwa Medanasi.
Elizabeth, Medanasi. Thank you, Elizabeth. Thank you, Sina.
Thank you.
From GCB Bank, speaking to us this morning on all of their personal loan offerings, which has been extended, especially to June of this year. Started August last year, is doing so well, so much so that they've extended it to the June of this particular year, and they've increased the amount, and they've done so many other things to it. Thank you guys so much once again for coming. You're listening to the Super Morning Show on 99.7 Joe FM. It's 8:37 a.m. in the studio here at Kokomlimle in Accra.